Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, man. We already out here. Well, we ain't out here yet. We actually just getting the van ready. We had to put some water in the tank. Tank was pretty low. I'm having issues with my spout because it's so old that the metal around is starting to break off, so my hose don't go completely on there, so I'm gonna have to go to Best Buy and get a new spout. But right now we filling up the tank. We still got the pressure washer covered. It's still pretty cold out here, but we had 4 stops this morning, but we only got 3 now because how cold it is. We just running not behind because of the weather, but we are running behind because how cold it is right now. If you see, it say 30 degrees, it feel like 30. The high today is just 43, so it's not really gonna warm up that much, so we're gonna have to go out here and deal with it. And you see right there, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then next week, it looks terrible. Look at that, 7 degrees, 9 degrees. I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. Hope y'all get this. I filled out an application for this second job, even though I don't really need to work a second job. But hey, man, financially shit just been crazy. Like I said, so much construction going around Nashville, man. And I got a low tire right here, so I'm gonna have to stop and get that fixed. Remember, it was that tire last time. So, but it's so much construction going on around here. But you see the van, it's pretty clean. I do need to get a wrap. That is one of my plans this year, to at least get a wrap, things of that nature. But like I say, we got the van filling up. My hose, let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about my connection to my hose. See, it's a little connection right here. And see how it's spouting water out already? So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that real quick, man. But y'all already know. Continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, we done made it to our first stop, and we're gonna work on this exterior, man, because it is still cold out here. It's 38 degrees, still feel like it's 32. If you look at these wheels, they're pretty dirty. You see it right there, how the chrome, you see how dirty it is. So you see inside the wheel, well, pretty dirty. But right now we're doing this CLS53. We're gonna work on the exterior, like I said, and then we're gonna get on this interior. You see the car right here, man, but you see how dirty my finger is right there, just touching those rims. But y'all already know how it go, man. We committed to what we got going on in Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. But like I told y'all, man, we definitely need to go. I'm gonna go when I'm done work today. I'm gonna go to Home Depot because I need to get that fixed. Cause you see how that water is spouting out of that crazy. We'll go ahead and do what I do, man, because time is of the essence right now. I started a late day and it's already 12. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this first car done the other day. It literally took us an hour and about 20 minutes to get it done. But y'all already know, because of the wheels was a little dirty, it take a little bit of time to get the job. These wheels probably take about 10 minutes a piece. But luckily I got good enough chemicals that helps break down that brake dust, things of that nature. But we already finished. Our next stop probably about 25 minutes from here. I'm supposed to be there about 1:30, so I'll probably be 10 minutes late. But hey, as long as I get there. But we're gonna go ahead and hop in the vehicle, shoot there, get there. Still got one more appointment at 3 o'clock after that. But y'all already know, man. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We made it to the second appointment. We were probably about 10 minutes late, but we got here. Like I say, I'm like Jesus. I may not come when you call, but I will be there on time. Right now, I'm about to work on this interior because that's really the dirtiest. Exterior really don't that much being white. I don't really have too much dry, even though you do dry white cars. Sometimes I just don't. But I will, but sometimes I don't, but I will. But you see how dirty it is. It definitely need a good cleaning in the interior. A lot of your typical debris sticks, twigs, rocks, you know, a little paper. This is his daughter car. I think she's in college. I think she go to Belmont, or she is senior or something like that. I just know she is in school, but this is a nice car. But y'all already know, I already got all the equipment out, mats, stuff. But y'all already know, man. Continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. Y'all do what y'all gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Show y'all what it look like now, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like afterwards. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do. Y'all already know what it do. We got the second car done of the day, which is the GMC Terrain, man. It took a little time to get it done because it's a little dirty, but you see the sun over there shining, about to get ready to go down within the next hour and a half or so. But we completely done. Still got one more stop to do, but I have to stop at Home Depot because I'm having issues with my pressure washer gun. It will not keep the nozzle in. It keeps shooting out, and I can't afford for that nozzle to shoot out and hit somebody's window, or they paint and damage it. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on, man. Remember, hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a like, leave a comment, share. Y'all already know we're gonna continue to grow together, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world. We had to do the interior of this car right here. That was the interior detail. I had to do the exterior, but my pressure washer gun broke, so it was a female end and not a male end on the other end, but you can't really see, it's dark. But we actually done. See, you got the van right here for you right here home. You see the sky's already dark, but y'all already know, man. Do what y'all gotta do. I can do what I gotta do, man. Didn't put the drone in the air again because it was a little windy and I was pressed for time. I didn't get to my first appointment till about 12, which I was supposed to be there at 9. But you know, with the cold weather being so cold, it's kind of hard to get out there when I need to. But y'all already know, man. Y'all know the script. One love, love thyself. Remember, you can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. That self-love is everything. You know, we preach that all 2023, and we're gonna continue to preach it all 2024. But y'all already know we probably about 10-15 minutes from the crib. Here, I know y'all probably can't see my face, but excuse me. And like always, one love, love thyself. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.